Imagine retiring early, living your dream life on a beach or traveling the world, all without a single penny saved today. Sounds impossible, right? But with the right mindset and strategies, you can turn this dream into reality. And I'm here to show you how to retire early with no savings by building wealth from the ground up. First, shift your money mindset. Believe that financial freedom is achievable no matter where you start. And replace limiting thoughts like I'll never have enough with empowering ones like I'm building wealth every day. Visualize your ideal retirement. Maybe it's a cozy cabin in the mountains or a vibrant city apartment, and let that vision drive you. Next, slash your expenses ruthlessly. Track every dollar using free budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB. Cut unnecessary subscriptions, negotiate bills, and embrace minimalism to free up cash. For example, cutting just $100 a month from dining out or unused memberships can add up to $1,200 a year. Now, channel that money into a high-paying side hustle. Think freelancing on platforms like Upwork, starting a YouTube channel like this one to share your journey, or launching a dropshipping store on Shopify. These gigs can earn you hundreds or even thousands extra each month, and the key is to start small but think big. Take that side hustle income and invest it wisely. Low-cost index funds, like those from Vanguard, offer an average 8% annual return, meaning $200 invested monthly could grow to over $118,000 in 20 years thanks to the magic of compounding. If stocks aren't your thing, explore real estate crowdfunding on platforms like Fundrise, where you can start with as little as $10. Or consider dividend stocks for steady passive income. Diversify your income streams over time. Maybe add a blog, an online course, or rental properties to reduce risk and accelerate wealth building. Stay disciplined by automating your savings and investments, so you're not tempted to spend your earnings. Learn the basics of investing to avoid scams, and educate yourself with free resources like financial podcasts or YouTube channels. Hint: subscribe to this one for more tips. Consider geo-arbitrage, moving to a lower-cost city or country to stretch your money further, allowing you to live richly on less. For inspiration, think of stories like the couple who retired in their 30s by saving 70% of their income and investing in index funds, or the freelancer who built a six-figure portfolio through consistent side gigs. The key is consistency. Small actions like saving $5 a day or learning one new skill compound over time, just like your investments. Stay patient, as wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. And avoid get-rich-quick schemes that promise overnight success. By combining a frugal lifestyle, multiple income streams, and smart investing, you can create a snowball effect where your money works harder than you do. Imagine this: in 15 to 20 years, your side hustle earnings, invested wisely, could fund a retirement where you wake up without an alarm, pursue passions, and live life on your terms. To make this work, start today. Pick one expense to cut, explore one side hustle, or open an investment account with just $10. Your future self will thank you, and this channel is here to guide you every step of the way. So, what's your first step toward early retirement? Drop it in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe to join our journey to financial freedom, because retiring early with no savings isn't just possible, it's your next big win. Imagine waking up every morning knowing you're free, no boss, no alarm clock, just the life you've always dreamed of. Whether it's sipping coffee on a tropical beach, exploring new cities, or simply pursuing your passions, all achieved without a single dollar saved today. Retiring early with no savings isn't a fantasy, it's a plan you can start building right now. And I'm going to walk you through every step to make it happen. The foundation of this journey is transforming your money mindset. Ditch the belief that wealth is only for the rich or that you need a big salary to retire early, and instead adopt a growth-oriented perspective where every small action counts. Picture your dream retirement vividly, whether it's a cozy cabin in the woods, a vibrant urban loft, or a nomadic life traveling the globe, and let that image fuel your motivation daily. Start by auditing your finances with brutal honesty. Download a free budgeting app like Mint or YNAB. Track every penny for a month and identify leaks like unused subscriptions, frequent takeout, or impulse buys. For example, cutting $150 a month from non-essential spending saves $1,800 a year, which can kickstart your wealth building. Redirect that money into a side hustle that aligns with your skills and passions. Freelancing on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr can earn you $20, $100 an hour for skills like writing, graphic design, or coding, while starting a YouTube channel like this one lets you share your journey and monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links. If online work isn't your thing, consider local gigs like tutoring, pet sitting, or flipping thrift store finds on eBay. The key is to start small but scale fast, reinvesting every dollar into your hustle to grow it into a steady income stream. Take that side hustle cash and invest it strategically. Low-cost index funds through brokers like Vanguard or Fidelity are a beginner-friendly way to earn an average 8% annual return. So $200 a month invested could grow to $118,739 in 20 years, thanks to compounding, which is like a snowball rolling downhill, getting bigger with every turn. If you're hesitant about stocks, explore real estate crowdfunding on platforms like Fundrise, where you can invest as little as $10. Or look into dividend stocks that pay you quarterly just for holding them, creating a passive income stream. Diversify your investments over time to spread risk. Mix stocks, real estate, and even small business ventures like an online store selling digital products such as ebooks or printables. Automation is your secret weapon. Set up automatic transfers to your investment accounts so you're not tempted to spend your earnings. And use tools like Acorns to round up daily purchases and invest the change. Education is crucial. Devour free resources like financial podcasts, YouTube tutorials, or library books on investing to build confidence and avoid scams promising overnight riches. Look at real-life success stories for inspiration. Take the couple who retired at 31 by saving 70% of their income and investing in index funds, or the single mom who turned a blog into a six-figure business, proving that starting from zero is no barrier. To supercharge your journey, embrace frugality without sacrificing joy. Cook at home, shop secondhand, or negotiate bills to save hundreds monthly, and consider geo-arbitrage, like moving to a lower-cost city or country where your dollars stretch further, allowing you to live richly on less. Build multiple income streams over time. A side hustle, a blog, a rental property, or even royalties from a self-published book, because relying on one source is risky. For instance, a teacher who started a tutoring side gig, invested in stocks, and rented out a spare room retired a decade early. Stay disciplined but flexible, adjusting your plan as you learn what works. If one hustle flops, pivot to another, like switching from dropshipping to affiliate marketing if sales are slow. Protect your wealth by building an emergency fund. Start with $1,000, then aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses to avoid dipping into investments during tough times. Leverage technology to stay on track. Use apps like Personal Capital to monitor your net worth, set financial goals, and track progress, keeping you motivated as your wealth grows. Don't ignore the power of community. Join online forums, follow financial influencers on X, or start a local money club to share tips and stay accountable. Engaging with others keeps you inspired and opens doors to new opportunities. As you build wealth, define your enough number. Calculate how much you need annually to live your dream retirement, say $40,000 a year. Then use the 4% rule to estimate your target nest egg. $1 million for $40,000 annual withdrawals. This journey requires patience as compounding takes time, but small actions like saving $5 a day, learning one new skill, or investing $50 a month add up exponentially. Avoid lifestyle inflation as your income grows. Keep living below your means to invest more, not spend more. Consider tax-advantaged accounts like Roth IRAs or HSAs to maximize your returns, and consult a fee-only financial advisor if you're unsure where to start. Stay resilient against setbacks. Market dips, job loss, or failed hustles are part of the process, but persistence wins. Picture this: in 15 to 20 years, your side hustles have grown into a business, your investments have snowballed, and you're living in a low-cost paradise or your dream home, free from financial stress, pursuing what lights you up. Start today. Cut one expense, sign up for a freelance platform, or open an investment account with $10 and commit to one small step daily. Your early retirement isn't just a dream. It's a plan you're building right now, and this channel is your partner in making it happen. So, what's your first move toward financial freedom? Drop it in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more strategies to retire early, because with no savings today, you're still on track to win big tomorrow.